Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I have a very easy recipe for you. I'm going to show you how to make this refreshing mango lassi. Okay, so for this recipe, you're going to need 2 very ripe mango, or you're going to need 1 cup of mango, and I'm just going to put this in my blender. To that, I'm adding half cup of milk. I'm adding half cup of plain Greek yogurt. Two tablespoons of white sugar. You can put more or less, it depends on how sweet you like it. A 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. And about a cup of ice. I'm going to pulse it and then I'm going to blend it until it's smooth. The cardamom powder is what gives it that distinctive taste. Don't put too much too because you can overpower your drink. And that's it. You're going to get the most creamiest, the most delicious mango drink. I think it's the perfect drink for hot summer days. Oh, I just realized the straws match my blouse. I didn't even plan that. Well, I really hope you give this one a try. You're not going to regret it. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.